Rhode Island Suboxone Doctor. Over the years, opioids have taken over many people's lives. It may be due to chronic pain, an injury, or pain after surgery. Opioid addiction, also known as opioid use disorder, is a serious problem in the United States. In Rhode Island, opioid overdose is the leading cause of accidental death. Suboxone doctors in Rhode Island offer a ray of hope for those struggling with addiction. They might be the only hope for some. If you or your loved ones are going through addiction, don't worry, you are not alone. We sympathize with you and want to help you in this difficult time. This video is specifically for those who are in Rhode Island and are looking for Suboxone doctors. Suboxone is a prescribed medication that helps reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms in people addicted to opioids. It is a combination of buprenorphine and naloxone. Buprenorphine, an opioid agonist, works by binding to the same brain receptors that opioids do, but it produces a much weaker response. It reduces the risk of abuse and dependence. Naloxone is an opioid antagonist which blocks the effects of opioids. Nowadays, Suboxone treatment has become increasingly popular for opioid addiction because it is less likely to be abused than other medications and has fewer side effects. It is important to note that Suboxone is not a cure for addiction, but can help people recover by reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Suboxone doctors are usually certified by the Drug Enforcement Administration (DEA) to prescribe this medication. They have completed special training and are registered with the DEA. In addition, these doctors must also have a special license from the state where they practice, and must be affiliated with a licensed treatment facility. Rhode Island is one of the states that have been hit hard by the opioid epidemic. Every year, more and more people are becoming addicted to opioids. It is a serious problem because it affects not only the person who is addicted, but also their family and friends. Also, the fact that opioids are easily accessible makes it even harder for people to overcome their addiction. Suboxone doctors in Rhode Island offer a much-needed service for those struggling with addiction. They can help reduce cravings and opioid withdrawal symptoms and provide other forms of support. These doctors can also prescribe different types of medication to help with recovery. The need for Suboxone doctors in Rhode Island has been increasing at an alarming rate. Moreover, this might be the only solution for some people. Traditional treatment methods, such as detox and rehab, have not been effective for everyone. Many people have relapsed after going through these programs. Suboxone Maintainance, on the other hand, has shown to be more successful in helping people overcome addiction. Suboxone doctors provide other forms of support, such as counseling and therapy, as part of a comprehensive plan. The opioid epidemic is a serious problem that is affecting the whole country. However, some states have been more greatly affected than others, such as the case for Rhode Island, which has one of the country's highest opioid addiction and overdose rates. The recorded number of opioid overdose deaths in Rhode Island is alarming. According to the Rhode Island Department of Health, there were 256 overdose deaths in 2019 and 324 in 2020. The number of opioid-involved fatal overdoses continued to increase in 2021, reaching 375. It is sadly the reality for many people in Rhode Island. Opioid addiction is a critical problem that is affecting more and more people every year. That is why finding a reputable Suboxone doctor in Rhode Island is vital. They can provide the crucial help that is needed to overcome addiction. Suboxone maintenance is one of the most common methods to treat opioid addiction. This method has been shown to be quite successful in helping people overcome their addiction and achieve sobriety. Suboxone clinics are actually where most people start their journey to recovery. Most people who go through Suboxone maintenance can stay sober and avoid relapsing. In addition, this form of treatment is usually less expensive than other methods, such as inpatient rehab. Suboxone clinics are a common place where most people start their journey to recovery. Most people who go through Suboxone maintenance can stay sober and avoid relapse. In addition, this form of treatment is usually less expensive than other methods, such as inpatient rehab. However, though this method can be successful, it still depends on who or where the person goes for treatment. Consider a few factors before deciding on a treatment facility or provider. You want to ensure you choose a reputable and experienced facility. Additionally, you want to ensure the staff is caring and supportive. Most importantly, you feel comfortable and confident with your decision. Seek help as soon as possible if you or someone you know is struggling with addiction. Addiction is and always will be a crucial problem that needs to be addressed. Fortunately, many reputable Suboxone doctors in Rhode Island can help. They have the experience and expertise to provide the treatment necessary to overcome addiction. Here at SuboxoneDoctor.com, we truly sympathize with people struggling with addiction. We understand how difficult it is to overcome this problem. We will help you find the best Suboxone doctor in Rhode Island. Whether you're in Providence, Warwick, Cranston, or any other part of the state, we can help you find the treatment that you need. Don't let addiction control your life. Get your life back and reclaim sobriety today. The time for change is now. Take the first step. Call 888-225-4440 and let us help you find the best Suboxone doctor in Rhode Island.